Hi everyone, in this video for grade 8 we have chapter 4 section 8 which is about box and whisker plots on page 158. Whenever we have a set of data, if the question asks you to make box whisker plot, we can make it, or if we have another type of question which is the box and whisker plots are given, we can see the number line and the box whisker plots, all the data, greatest data, third quartile, median, first quartile, and the smallest value. Asks you some questions which we can read it from the book on page 159. You can answer the questions about the box and whisker plots. For the first one, we have this set of data, tells you make box and whisker plots. In box and whisker plots we have 5 data, 5 things to show, which always we must arrange from smallest to greatest, from least to greatest. The smallest value in here it is 17. After that we have 19. After 19 we have 20. We have 21. We have 23. We have 26 and we have 28. In this set of data, always we show the smallest number that we have. We can say smallest value or least value and greatest. Greatest value in the set. After that this is 2 of them, smallest value and greatest value of the set. Sorry. Then we can show the median of the set, the middle number. If we have one number, we will show that number, and then we check for the first quartile and third. If we have 2 numbers, we will add and divide by 2, then we will check for the first quartile and third quartile, or we can say lower quartile, upper quartile, same, first quartile, third quartile, or lower quartile, upper quartile. We can use both of them, these two. For the median, one number from the beginning and one from the end, again, which would be 21 median. Fine. After that, if it is one number, we don't count this number for the set. It made 2 parts, the first part before the median, the second part after the median. But if it was 2 numbers, we add and divide by 2, one of them would come to this side, the other one would go to the other side. But now, while it's one number in the middle, in the median just itself, we don't count in none of the sides. This side before the median, this side after the median. The median of this part, which we have 3 numbers, this one would be lower quartile, or we can say first quartile. If we say lower or first, same. The median for this part, which would be upper quartile, which is 26, we can say upper or third quartile. Upper quartile and third quartile, same. We did all the 5 values of the box whisker plot, and then we can show on the line, on the number line, as these data. Let's do it. we can say 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Yeah, 22, 24, 26, 28. We write those numbers which is from this set, from 17 until 28 we must have on the line. 16 and let's say 14. We will show these numbers on the line. 17, which is least value. 17, it's between 16 and 18. Then we have 19, which can be here, 21 and 26 and 28. We can make the box whisker plot by 5 points. Always these twos at the ends, greatest value, least value, or smallest. We won't include in the box that we do. Median, lower quartile, median, upper quartile, greatest value, and least value. We show least and greatest by this way, like that. We do the box and whisker plot just like that. And for the interquartile range, interquartile range equals upper quartile minus lower quartile, which is 26 minus 19 here. Always upper quartile minus lower quartile. This is the rule, which would be 7. Interquartile range equals 7 in these data, the range between the quartiles. In example 2, we have two box whisker plots on the same line. One of them for Rafidin, one of them for Dijla. Now we know this is least value, this is lower quartile, median, upper quartile, greatest value. And we know least value, lower quartile, median, upper quartile, and greatest value. In A, tells you which one of the charters has greater median. You look at the median of Rafidin, median of Dijla. If median of Dijla is about 51, 52, the median of Rafidin, you can see it's about 55. So Rafidin from the charter we can see has a greater median. This median is about 55, this median is about 52. B tells you which of the charters has a greater interquartile range. For the interquartile range, always which one has a greater box like this rectangle. Which one is greater? This one is greater interquartile range. We can see this one, Rafidin, is greater than Dijla. For the greater interquartile range, always we depend on the greater rectangle. Rafidin. And the last one tells you which one is more predictable in the number of fish that might be caught on the fishing trip. And the question about more predictable, always the one which is smaller rectangle is more predictable. Always which one is smaller is more predictable. So Dijla is more predictable to have the number of fishing trip that you want to get the answer for that. That's how to make a box whisker plot, and that's if you have two box whisker plots, how you can give the answer for these questions that you have. That's all about this lesson. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.